What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video. As you can see, I got my baby right here. I got a clear windscreen. I got some bar end adapters because we got these right here. We got these. We got the NRC. I don't even know what NRC, what are they called? Block off mirror plates with the LEDs. You feel me? We're gonna install those. And then we also got these CRG hindsight mirrors. You dig? You dig? I opened it a little bit. Take a look. But what we done so far, took off the gauge cluster. So we got those adapters. Now we gotta take the mirrors off. I'm pretty sure these are the connections right here for the mirrors, but I want to make sure those are really it. You gotta take these off, and these are freaking strips, so we're gonna try the non-stripped ones first. Perfect. Easy money. I might have to order new screws, but we got it. Haha. Yes, sir. Oh shit. I lost one. Oh no, okay. They're on the bike. Okay, cool. Nice. This is also a really nice windscreen. Let's see the difference. This shape. Kind of the same shape. Just clear. I'll save that for later. Now, we gotta get rid of this, and I believe it's a 10 mil. And is this some sort of thing right here? Oh, dude, I think I broke this shit, bro. Ain't no way I broke that shit. Damn. Oh, I didn't break shit. So you can. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see how this is gonna look. If you guys are from the East Coast, you know it's about to be riding season real soon. About to hit 60 degrees this weekend, yo. You know I'm taking the bike out, so you know I had to get this shit ready. You feel me? Oh. What the fuck is going on here, though? What? So this is the connector right here. The connection piece. Now my question is, how do you remove it though? Oh, I see. Okay, maybe I don't see it. What? What? There's gotta be a push tab, right? Should be able to push this down and this comes out. Ah, you lift it open, my friend. My friend. So that's what you gotta do if you got a GSXR-600. You gotta lift it open, yeah? Oh, whoa. What did I do there, buddy? Why did it make that noise? Oh, I see it. Seep it. My fellow. Hey, my guy. Woo! Woo! Hey, hey, hey. Back down. Right? Oh, like this. No? Like this. Nah. Okay, I think we figured it out, guys. Oh, fuck me, dude. This part sucks. I don't want a breaky. I don't want a breaky. Alright. Get in there, bitch. First thing I'm gonna do, run it all the way. Yes, sir. Okay.
How's everything, folks?
Good, folks.
Yes, sir.
You know it, man.
That's it. That's more better, folks. It's like your motorcycle have
Where'd I put that shit? Pack that shit down. What do you want? Hold up. Yo, dog. Yo, dog, you see that, dog? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Yo, that's fire, my guy. Oh, am I tweaking? I'm tweaking. Guys, I forgot to take off the fucking screws, yeah? Haha. It's all good. A little practice. Damn. Woo! Alright, let's take off the other one. Could do a little fast forward motion. Bingo! That was a little zesty. But relax, bro. I'm just a little hype. Okay? What the fuck is going on here? Okay. You feel me? It's that simple, guys. It's that fucking simple, bro. Just a little bitch. Just like that, man. Just like that. Okay. The test to see if it works. Oh shit. Where's my hazards? Sheesh. What y'all think of that? God damn. Yo, that is fire. Alright. I'm gonna lock everything up, put on the clear windscreen, and we're gonna see how this is, man. Bet. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh damn. Oh fuck me, dude. Fuck. See, I wanna use this because I ride a lot at night, and I also ride with a tinted visor. And the tinted visor and this at night is a combination, a deadly combination, my bro. But this one right here, yeah, it looks clean, but this looks hard. Clean, hard. Clean, oh, hard, my bro. Low key though, low key. All right, let's see this thing in action. Huh. I don't even know if you guys can see this. It's probably blinded. Damn. Oh shit! I might have just did something. Oh my god. Alright, well, that's a wrap for this video. You know what I'm saying? If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, you know. Comment in the comment section below if you fuck with the clear or the dark smoke visor. You could always change them out. But we're gonna rock this one for now. You know what I'm saying? Right there, YouTube. Catch you on the next video. We test riding this shit. Oh wait, I forgot about the bar and mirrors. Alright, it's all good. We're gonna do that before we ride. But yeah, man, this is what it is. Peace.